In the overgrown yard of the ivy-covered, haunted mansion at the top of the hill stands an eerie, run-down greenhouse. It holds a magical secret. Truly it does. Dandelion discovers this for himself on what seemed a very usual bug-hunting Saturday morning. What or who he finds changes everything for him and all of his friends. Hollyhocks, Foxy Gloves, Virginia Creeper, Snapdragon, and Johnny Jump-Ups. As you read the Greenhouse Kids chapter book series, plant life takes on a new and magical meaning. You will be entertained, mystified, and taken along on fantastic journeys as Dandelion and the other members of the Greenhouse Kids Club find fun and scary adventures hiding behind every shadow. Come along with them as they learn the true meaning of friendship. Speedy Seedy, the school bully, brings them face to face with courage. Do they have it or not? Mystery, fun, danger, and laughter follow these amazing friends through each book as they experience the adventures of growing up. Humorous and clever, author Shelley Awad plants the seeds of reading fun that awaken an interest in the world of gardening. Thanks to the delightful Greenhouse Kids, you will discover that if you believe in yourself, miracles can happen.